God, what? The wind is so strong. I feel the ground. Feel this vibrating. Look at that car. Dang, these winds are strong. I need to see what's going on, if this is a hurricane or not. If it is, I gotta call my mom. I don't think I'll be able to, like, charge anything, because that'll be horrible. Okay. Dang, this is strong. Mom.
Hello? Hey, what's up?
It hasn't rained in your rain at your work yet?
Yeah, it sounds like it. Let me...
Oh my, lightning, Mom. There's freaking lightning and thunder. It's super. The winds are impacting by the minute. They're just getting stronger and stronger.
It's just a storm. Just stay away from the windows and watch the electric. Just be careful with like make sure nothing goes out.
Yeah, I think I'll turn off my electricity in a minute.
Yeah, just maybe like turn off the laptop or something. Make sure it's unplugged.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm turning off my Xbox.
I think the TV has one of those cables that help it to not, get zapped. And regardless, if something happens, we have renter's insurance. So if everything goes, we get all new stuff.
Okay, that's good to know. Dang! Okay. This person's car is driving through a flood. The flood has already gotten here really quickly.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm on a break. Just if you want dinner, heat up one of those microwavable meals, okay?
I'm just telling you right now I'm recording.
Okay. All right, I love you.
Love you too, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Dang, there's a flood. I need to get all this moved. There's the neighbors pulling in. They're not getting out of their car anytime soon. Consider themselves lucky if they make it out, though. I don't recommend having anything on at this moment, to be honest with you. Like, I just did a live stream a minute ago. If you didn't see it, you gotta always be there for the live. There we go. What the heck are they doing there? They need to run inside. That's not safe. Run inside. Don't care. Shouldn't care if you're soaking wet or not. It's the smart thing to do. Yeah, there's a flood passing on and everything. The flood's so bad that there's so much water at the top. Are you serious? They're actually getting out? I could have sworn I just saw one of them run out of the car. They're in there still. Oh my god. What are they gonna do? Ugh. I had a feeling that this rain was going to come over here because my friend said he wasn't going to the beach because it was raining. That's the truth. See you guys.